So you want to see my decks. I always feel so funny saying that word. This is stacked, like full, all the way to the back. So I'll show you kind of my decks. But I don't want to take all those out. And then I have these. These are the ones that come in bags or have been put in bags and taken out of boxes, or like my working decks. So this is all the way full too, down to the bottom of the barrel. And there are so many here, like this is Deviant Moon. I know some of them. Not all, because I change their bags sometimes, and that is confusing, but I do. I switch them all around. Then these 3 boxes are full. So we got like those ones here. I'm gonna have to take them down. So hold on a second here. How can I do this? You're just gonna have to come along for the ride. And then I have those that are in this box. Big thick box. They go down pretty wide, but yes, this is how I'm organizing. And then I have, oh goodness, heavy boxes. This box. And then this is an art room. So I have art supplies everywhere. And so those are my inks, but underneath my inks are more tarot cards. Those are some that are in bags, and underneath there, they're the ones that are in boxes. And then I have this is the last one. Those are guidebooks that you have to print like PDF form for, and I am so behind on guidebooks, it's crazy. And then I have that one that's full too. So I'm out of storage space. I need to start selling some of these. It's crazy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the vid. Have a wonderful Sunday.